Hello my friends, welcome to Internet Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we're gonna have something MiniDisc, and I'm hiding my personal information here. This is delivery from France. Let's try to open it and see what we got. Hope it's not gonna cut anything here. Let's just chop it safely. Alright. I hope this is what I ordered. Oh yeah, it's protection here. And that's it. But yeah. So this is just a, what is this? Is there something inside there? Oh yeah, there's something inside there. I thought this is just a protection. Will be, why wouldn't you not put this disc inside the cardboard? But okay. Take a look at that. Gilman, one voice. So I got this, a mini disc. This is actually, how do you call it, the paperwork from this thing, from France, of all places. And the reason why I got this, oh wow, the reason, let me deal with this. Okay, finally. So this little cute boy right here, right? So what do you think it is? This is, I think this is pretty old mini disc of Gilman, called One Voice, and looks like it's gonna contain 11 tracks. But the main reason I got this, how do I open this? Because this is the not recorded disc, this is press disc. I never had any press disc, and this was cheap enough for me to, despite whatever content it has, to buy it. Oops, yikes. And the reason I bought it, I'm so excited, I guess. And the reason I bought it, because this is my very first pressed a disc, not recorded. Sometimes it's not sometimes. There are cases when it's good to have pressed disc when you are repairing these guys. I believe sometimes discs are, sorry, not disc, laser pickups here could be weaker and pick up only the press disc, right, or official releases, which have better reflection quality than regular discs. So obviously now this guy says One Voice, so clearly it works. Let me listen to it, but this is my main idea. This is my very first pressed disc that I have, very first one. Everything else I have, like hundreds of them, are mostly, not mostly, are pre-recorded by someone or recorded by me. They are recordable. This is the only one which is actually as a CD-ROM. It's just pressed, so it won't be, it's like read-only. Okay, let's take some headphones and listen to some music. I'm not even sure what music is this. I just bought it for the fact that yeah. Next track. It's like country style or something, like. Anyways, it plays well. So this is not much going to be in this video. What you're gonna do here, just test the disc. I'm gonna run through some tracks, make sure everything is okay. All right, and after I finish that, I'm gonna take a look at the surface. We're gonna look at it together and see if it's not really scratched. But so far it's looking good. The only thing what's missing here is actually jewel case for mini disc, but I don't really need it. I probably 3D print one, maybe 3D print one for sale even, or find the model if there exists, or make it myself. But here we are. Let's see if it has some paperwork. Gilman. I wonder what about now how this guy is doing. Gilman. Doesn't even say the year, or does it? Does it? Manufactured by Epic Sony Music 2000. Oh my god. Yeah, 2000. This guy probably as old as me. Maybe no. Anyways, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna try check some tracks and then gonna check some surface, and that's probably gonna be it. Alright, yeah, I quickly run through all of the tracks. It's all 11. So 11th is the bonus track, and yes, it's more like a country music. Voice of the boy actually is pretty good. I don't like, nice voice, nice singing, so not a problem. Now let's take a look. Open the curtain again and quickly scroll through the surface of the disc. Wow, it's not easy. Ha! I thought it was going to be easier than that. You need like need something magnetic here. Okay, it's possible to do like this. Okay, it's doing it. It looks like it's not even finished all the way to the edge. It's like this, right? It's yeah. This is completely different shininess. It's really hard to show. You see that? I hope you see that. So yeah, you could cram a few more tracks here, but someone decided to. It's enough for today. Yep. Oh my God. Dry fingers. Yeah, I need something magnetic, like, you know, a little stick is magnet. I don't have anything like that. That's kind of funny. Have to do like this. I was not prepared for this. But nevertheless, it actually works. Looks like disc is pretty nice and clean. So guys, that's gonna be it. Now I'm gonna have a test disc of Billy Gilman. You're gonna be testing the quality, or the going to be participating in the test of laser pickups on various MiniDiscs that I repair. I actually have two or even three for repair or service, I would say. They actually working, but need some servicing. Like as you see, this one probably gonna, if I'm gonna ever find nice case for this, but this one is working well, except the buttons a little bit not so good. Using it as my test device. Alright, so this is gonna be it, guys. If you want to see more MiniDisc related video, please subscribe, comment, like. I'll be happy to hear from you. Stay safe and ciao.